In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove taxes and shipping at checkout on Shopify. We'll walk through this directly inside your Shopify admin, and by the end, that tax and shipping line at checkout will no longer be displayed to your customers. This is especially useful if your prices are already tax inclusive, or if you offer free shipping and don't want that extra line causing confusion. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage products, orders, and your online store. Once you're on the home page of your dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side. From that left menu, click on Online Store. This is where all your storefront settings live, including themes and the wording your customers see. After you click Online Store, you'll see your current theme listed at the top, with buttons like Customize and Edit. Next to the Edit button, there should be an icon with 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots next to Edit Theme. This opens a small drop-down menu with a few more advanced options related to your theme. From that drop-down, choose the option called Edit Default Theme Content. This section controls all the text strings used throughout your store, including messages that appear at checkout. Once the theme content page opens, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click into that search bar so you can filter the text fields more easily. In the search bar, type the word Sections. This helps narrow down the long list of content fields to only those related to certain sections of your store, including the checkout area. After the results load, look for the field titled Taxes Included Shipping at Checkout with Policy HTML, or something very close to that. Click into that field. This is the bit of text that shows customers a note about taxes and shipping at checkout. Now, highlight everything inside that field. Select all the existing text and press backspace or delete to remove it completely. If Shopify doesn't let you save an entirely empty field, just tap the space bar or add a single period so the field is technically not blank. But visually, nothing meaningful will appear to customers. Once you've removed the content from that field, go to the top or bottom of the page and click Save. Shopify will update your theme language settings, and the taxes and shipping message at checkout will no longer display. That's it. You've successfully removed the taxes and shipping line at checkout from your